The first step in sending an email to somebody is going to the Hagley portal and clicking on email. To ask to log in using your first name dot your last name dot student dot Hagley dot school dot nz, and then enter your password underneath that. To send a new email, click on New. Now type in the address of the person you want to send the email to. Then you can add a subject on what the email is about, where it says Add Subject. Then you can add a message that you want to send to the person receiving the email. If you want to attach a file, you can do it from here, down the bottom next to the discard. If you want to insert a picture, that's just next to insert. There's also emojis or share availability. Just below where you type the message, there is text formatting. If you have completed your message, then press send. That's how to send an email using Outlook.